Are you ready to uncover the secret to a timeless hairstyle that suits any occasion? Stay tuned to explore the captivating world of bob cuts. The French bob captures the essence of Parisian nonchalance and elegance. The layered bob's sassy layers pay homage to the iconic Rachel cut of the 90s. The asymmetrical bob boldly blends edge with elegance. The sleek A-line bob offers a sophisticated, timeless look. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with the latest hairstyle trends.